Sudev Goswami Pad told Parikshit Maharaj that house is not the perfect house, not sadhu is not going there the house. No Harikatha, that house is as like the hole of the snake, Sarpavarta. The snake does not make the hole. Who makes the hole, you know?
Yes.
This is touching the thing. This is not this stuff. Who makes the hole?
Rats.
Rats. But rat, a snake, he entered in the hole and killed the snake and staying there. In the same way, Sudev Goswami Paul Najatra Vaikuntha Patha Sudhapoga.
You said kill the snakes. The snake goes in to kill the rats.
Snake kills the
Rats.
rat and staying in there.
They go that way.
In the same way, people, they also, rich person, they also build big house, these things, but no Harikatha. That house is as like snake hole of the snake. Given in Niti Shastra, also explain one very nice beautiful story. One snake, he was staying in one, what is it called? One box. And that box was closed. Then snake can't come out from the
The box.
box. Then anyhow, one rat entered in the box. Then snake is thinking, oh, if the rat is my food, but if I eat the rat, then only couple hours I can
Feed the
full my stomach. But my whole life I will be here. It is better I can make the friendship with the rat. Then snake told to the rat, listen, now you are touches my hand. No, yeah. I can eat you, I can kill you, but I promise to you, you are my friend. So, the duties of the friend to help to each others. So, if you help to me, then I can't kill you. That time, rat is thinking, this is a good idea. Then the snake told, then a rat told, how can I help you? You have some teeth, you can make hole in this box. Then you and me both also go out. Then rat is thinking, oh, this is very nice, beautiful suggestion. Then rat, he made the hole. Then snake is thinking, oh, the good idea. Now he already made the hole. Then snake told, hey rat, you are my best friend, and now I can embrace to you, listen to you, because both are going different direction. And that time the foolish rat is thinking, this is good, he is my friend. Friend to friend is what? Embracing and kissing. That is called farewell, no? You know farewell?
Goodbye.
Farewell. Then snake came very close to the rat, he came very close to the snake. Then he go, this is our embracing. Then snake bite him and gave to him. Actually, the purport about this story, in this material world, Maya Devi, she creates this very nice, beautiful material world. And Krishna's external potency, Maya. Maya, she creates this material world. And but people, they are staying here. And now Maya Devi, she is the personification of snake. Her conditional soul is as like a rat. Yeah. But they don't know what happened. Then when time will come, then Maya Devi, she will kill to us. Yeah. So how to release from this jail of Maya? Right? Listen. For this regard, Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukadeva Goswami Pad told this story. Najatra Vaikuntha Katha Sudapo. If you not in your house, Hari Katha. No sadhus coming. That house is as like he holds a snake. Maya Garta. Maya Garta. Garta means understand the whole of the Maya. And we are staying here. So if you chant holy names and associate sadhu, then you will be free from this Maya and attain to the whole of Lord. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur sang this song, Jedina griye bhajan dekhi griye te guru ko bhai, charana sindhu dekhiya ganga sukna simha pai. Suddha bhakata charana renu bhajanayonu kula bhakata seva paramo siddhi prem loti karamula Suddha bhakata charana renu bhajanayonu kula bhakata seva paramo siddhi prem loti karamula. Bhaktivinoda Thakur sang this song, Ekadasi Mati song. The Suddha Bhakata Charana Renu. Jedina griye bhajan dekhi griye te goloko bhai. One who performs bhajan and sadhan in his house, that house is called Guru Vrindavan. Here is Guru Vrindavan. Radha Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nityananda Prabhu Advaita Acharya और भी है Vishnudev, Jagannath Baladev, Subhadra, Ramchandra, whole spiritual world is here. They did not left anyone. Vaikuntha to Ajodha, Ajodha to Dwarka, Dwarka to Mathura, Mathura to Golo Vrindavan. And not in Golo Vrindavan. Also, Navadip Dham is here. Who is staying in Navadip Dham? Gaura Nityananda. So that means one who performs bhajan and sadhan, that house is called Guru Vrindavan. So you are very lucky. You in your house, there is Vrindavan, Radha Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But you have to worship to Radha and Krishna under guidance of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Guru Anigatta Radha Govinda Seva. Bhaktivinoda Thakur Ji explained, you have to worship Divine Guru Radha and Krishna under guidance of Gaur Nityananda. Nitayi Karuna Have Braje Radha Krishna Pave Dhara Nitayi Charana Dukhani. Nattam Das Thakur very clearly explained Prem Bhakti Chandrika. They very carefully hold the lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu. When you receive the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, then you will attain the mercy of Radha and Krishna. Nitaya Charana Satta Tahar Sevaka Nitai Pada Sadakaras. And Nattam Das Thakur so many glorified about the lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu. Who is Nityananda? Baladev Prabhu. Yeah? Or who is Baladev Prabhu? He is non different from Krishna. Krishna Avinna Vigraha. And without second, Krishna's second body, Kalivar. Baladev Prabhu. Or Baladev Prabhu, actually, he is called Guru Akhanda Guru Tattva. Undivided Guru Tattva. So, very carefully hold the lotus feet of Nityananda. Guru Nityananda is Guru Tattva. Nityananda Prabhu is Baladev Prabhu. In Krishna Lila, Baladev Prabhu, or Gaur Lila, Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhu, he serves also many ways. Chaitanya Chaitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained, Nityananda Prabhu, Baladev Prabhu, he serves to Krishna in two ways. One is called Tattva ways, another is called Rasa ways. That means he Srishti Tattva and Rasa ways. Srishti Tattva, Nityananda Prabhu, then Baladev Prabhu, he serves four ways. Sankarsan, Nityananda Prabhu, there means Baladev Prabhu, then that is called Mool Sankarsan, Sankarsan, then Karnadoksai, Gurudoksai, then Kridoksai and Sesa. Sesnag. Baladev Prabhu manifested in the form of Sesnag and holds the universe with his what is called? Goods. Ananta Devi, Ananta Ram. And he also created, destroyed everything according to the desires of Krishna. This is Tattva Seva. A Rasa Seva, Baladev Prabhu or Nityananda Prabhu, Rasa Seva. And Baladev Prabhu, he serves to Srimati Radhika in the mode of Ananga Manjari. Ananga Manjari Seva. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, one article also explained. Ananga Manjari is Anugata Seva, be the topmost. Because Ananga Manjari, she is the younger sister of Srimati Radhika. Bhaktivinoda one Kirtan very nicely explained this. So this is our aim and object, how to serve different Guru Radha and Krishna and under guidance of Ananga Manjari of Baladev. Ananga Manjari, then Baladev Prabhu, he serves to Srimati Radhika in the form of Ananga Manjari. In Radha Kunda, they are very nice, beautiful description about Radha Kunda also. And 8 corners, 8 Sukhis, Kunja are there. Kunja, understand? Very nice pool, nice, beautiful Kunjas are there. Lalita, Visakha, Rangadevi, Sudevi, Tungavidya, in this way, Ashtasakis Kunja. Then in the middle of Radha Kunda, that is called Sananda Subhada Kunda. That Sananda Subhada Kunda, that belongs to Ananga Manjari. Have you seen Radha Kunda? You went? No, when Radha Kunda, the water is dry. Have you been seen? Did not see? Yeah, every year, not every 2-3 years, 5 years, they also clean Radha Kunda. In the middle of Radha Kunda, that is the one very nice, beautiful pond is there. That water is, cannot dry. I remember once with Gurudev, we also went to cleaning that Radha Kunda Sanskar. That time. In the middle of Radha Kunda, the Ananga Manjari is Kunda is there. Actually, they are called, what is called? Srimati Radhika, she manifested the Radha Kunda with her bangles. Okay? The same size, very nice. Okay? Radha Kunda. Actually, the middle of Radha Kunda, that Kunja name is Sananda Sukhada Kunja. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, very absorbed with his own transcendental constitution from Siddhadya, Kamal Manjari, Sananda Sukhada Kunja, India. Actually, the Sananda Sukhada Kunja belongs to Ananga Manjari. And Ananga Manjari she offered that Kunja, Srimati, Radha and Krishna. And Radha and Krishna performed sweet and amorous pastimes. So, this Radha Kunda. And so Baladev Prabhu, he serves Srimati Radhika in the form of Ananda. Baladev Prabhu ki jai, Nityananda Prabhu ki jai, Sachinandana Prabhu Hari ki Gaur Premanande. Okay, now, so otherwise 7:30.
Maharaj, I have one question. Like householders who already married or got family to take care. For example, got children to take care or mom to take care. Is that okay for them to leave everything and go to temple and stay in temple?
Leave to them?
Leave everything here, go to temple and stay in temple. Because you have some responsibility, but you think after hearing Harikatha from a lot of sadhus, then thinking that this life is zero, nothing here, so I should give up everything immediately, I should go back to temple and stay. That is the question.
No.
So how does that possible?
If you, listen my question, if you married, if you have sons, daughters, householder, should we take care their children and take the responsibilities. No need to give up anything. And if you take renounce order, you cannot attain Krishna prem. Or if you are a householder, and you cannot say, I cannot attain to Krishna. You cannot say this. Understand? So no need to give up. Sometimes you are saying Hindi words, no need to give up. Chhodna nahi, jodo. Chhodna means no need to give up. Jodo means is what? To bring to them.
Bring the
Family. When you will give up their household life? If you think their household life, they are completely opposed your bhakti. If husband not listen, and Krishna Katha, no perform bhajan and sadhan, children are doing, if you think that household life is worthless, that is another question. If they are completely against of your bhajan and sadhan, that you can decide what to do, not to do. Understand? And if everybody is, if they are favor of the bhakti, so no need to give up. This is the process. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's associate, most of them were householders. Nityananda Prabhu, also he married. And Advaita Acharya, he was Grihastha. Srivas Pandit, and this, look. Mahaprabhu's instruction is this way. And Srimad Bhagavata explains, Thane stita shrutikatan tanumang navi. Jo prayasu ajito jito vistoi sulukam. Thane stita, you have to stay your own place. If you are brahmachari, brahmachari. Or if you are grihastha, you are banprasti, banprasana. No need to change of your ashram. You can stay in ashram and do bhajan and sadhana. Otherwise, that life is useless. Or when your real vairagya will come, renunciation, that time automatically you leave. I like Devuti. When Lord Kapil Dev left out, then Mother Devati gave everything and completely absorbed Krishna prema. Eh? Give an example as a snake. Snake gives us, gives his, what is called? Skin from his body. Have you seen this? Something? In the same way, and when time will come, then automatically will. Or they will kick out you also. Then your wife, husband will go up. Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, all his business failed, then God will do. Came in Mathura, but still, then chalo. Do bhajan. Jasanu Grannami Varise Tattunu Isani. Srimad Bhagavad says this, when I give mercy, then I will take everything from him. I will take his wife, I will take his sons, daughters, everything. So, you should not give up. Sometimes give an example, very nice, beautiful story. One Krishna and Narad Rishi. Both they also came in this material world. And Narad Rishi, he is acting the role of disciple, and Krishna is acting the role of Guru. So Guru and disciple they come. Then first they knock the door, one rich person. Then rich person become very angry. Hey, sadhu, why you are calling? Why you knock my door? I can't sleep. And using many harsh words. Did not give any penny, no donation, nothing. Then Krishna and Narad Rishi, Guru and disciples, they came. Then Narad Rishi told Krishna, what did you say to the rich person who did not give donation, no respect to sadhus, nothing? Then Krishna told, I gave lot of money to blessing to them. Hey rich man, and you will get lot of money. More your money will come. And all Lakshmi, come here. Okay, now. Then after a few minutes, then Narad Rishi and Krishna, and disciple and Guru came, the one old lady's house. Very old. Very small, what is called, hut. Hut. This thing. And when Narad Rishi and Krishna came, and disciple and Guru, then old lady's heart melted. He what will give the asan my sadhu this thing. Anyhow, he gave a small asan where the many holes, Then Narad Rishi and Krishna seated, and then old lady sitting, how to serve to sadhu. In our house, nothing, even not a mouse in their house. Remember, house completely empty. But she had one cow. Very quickly, she milked the cow, Dharusna. And that milk offered to Narad Rishi and Krishna. Then both they drank the milk, and then that old lady is very humble, hold the lotus feet of Narad Rishi and Krishna. She does not know this is the Krishna and Narad Rishi. Oh, sadhu has and crying. She told, hey sadhu, and you can come my house, and okay, Krishna will say, okay, I am very happy with it. But coming out from the road, then Narad Rishi asked Krishna, hey Gurudev, tell to her, what benediction you give? They are the old ladies. Well, I told the old ladies, your cow should be die. Go, mar jaye. Narad Rishi told, what kinds of you Guru? Are Guru should be give blessing. And what blessing? That rich person did not serve to you, not give any penny, nothing. The old lady, she has nothing. She feed you, and you drank the milk, and now we're giving blessing. Hey, old lady, your cow should be Why? Then Krishna told, hey Nathji, listen, Jasanu Anupurnami Hursi Tattani. They already, she complete surrender to me. But little bit she has attachment with the cow. So I'm thinking, her cow should be died. Then she will, all attachments she will offer to me. Balavindavan Bihari Lal. That means is what? When Krishna will take, then he will take. You should not give up anything. Eh? But Suddha Bhakti is thinking everything serve to Krishna. Eh? Manasa deha gya jo kechu moro or tua pade nanda kishora. And Bhakti Manasa deha gya. Oh my Krishna, I offer my body, my what is God, and wealth, house, everything to you. And that is called Atma Nivedana. Offering everything to Krishna. Manasa dehagya jokuchumuro urpinu tuapade nanda kisara. Atma Nivedan tuapade kori hoinu parama sukhi dukha dure galo चिंता न रोहिलो चौधरी के आनंद देखे चौधरी के आनंद देखे चौधरी के आनंद देखे वहीनु परम सुखी भक्तों ठाकुर से when you offer everything to Guru and Krishna, then is all direction happiness. So Atma offering everything and serve Radha and Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Seva. If you give up everything, go to Vrindavan, what to do there? You don't need to give up it. Serve Guru Vaishnava. This is the best. Guru Seva, Vaishnava Seva. Good Prema. No need to give up anything. Understand? And chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Sadhu, you have 6 enemies with you. That is called last, Krodha, anger, last anger, love, greed, moha, illusion, Kam, Krodha, Lobh, Moha, Mad means intoxication to enjoy the sense gratification, and 5th, Matsarya, jealousy. But all these things you have served to Krishna. Kam Krishnarpani. All your desires are come means the desires offered to Krishna. Krishna Seva. Vaishnava Seva means Kam Krishnarpani. Krodh Bhakta decision. You have sometimes angry or not? Sometimes, not every time. Huh? Last time angry.
Yeah. Small time very easily get angry. Now grow up. I want to angry. Okay.
But angry with whom? Those are against of bhakti. And Kam Krishnarpane Krodh Bhakta decision. Love, greed. Have you greed something? What greed? Greed for Hari Katha. Always you are saying how to greed for Hari Katha. Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moha and illusion with pure devotees of Lord. Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moha. Mad means intoxication with Krishna Katha. Krishna Katha matta ho ja. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Only one thing, there are no service kicked out from your heart. That is called the Matsarata, jealousy and enviousness. Jealousy and enviousness, they are the opposite of bhakti. There is no service. So kicked. Understand? This finger has no service. But this finger is service those are criticized to Guru and Vaishnava. Right? Eh? So in this way, engage all your limbs and body to Krishna Seva. And chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. So one life serve Guru and Vaishnava and chant holy names. No need to give up anything. Envious and jealousy, no sir. Keep it out. Now prepare breakfast. After breakfast we'll go another program. Okay, thank you. Good.
The 4 ways. 4 ways Baladev Prabhu serving Tata Seva. 4 ways Baladev Prabhu serving Tata Seva, you're saying?
What?
Is the, you're saying Baladev Prabhu is serving 4 ways in Tata Seva.
Tattva Seva?
Yeah, you said.
Baladev Prabhu. Tattva Seva this way.
What are the 4? The 4 which one?
4. Kardaksai, Garbhodaksai, Kriyodaksai, Vishnu and says 4 ways. Baladev Prabhu. Kardaksai Vishnu. He manifests in the form of Kardaksai Vishnu. Then Garbhodaksai Vishnu, then Kriyodaksai Vishnu service. And says also. Holds the whole universe. And Rasa Seva, I told Baladev Prabhu manifested in the form of Anangamanjiri and Sarpi Srimati Radhika. This.
Also Baladev Prabhu serves Dham and all the benefits.
These are 10 types of service. Dham, Rup, Dasavidha service. 10 types of service of Baladev Prabhu. Asana, Vasana, Bhusana, Paduka. One day I told him. Good. Sarp Srimati Radhika. Radha Anugattamai Seva. Sarp Krishna under guidance of Srimati Radhika. Okay. Stairs. Chanting holy names.
So then, one time you had told me that this story of this old man, old lady, and this rich person was like this rich person was a Shiva Bhakta and this old lady was a Krishna Bhakta. Is it true?
Who?
Some person was referring to me about this story, and he was saying that like this rich person was Shiva Bhakta and this old lady Krishna Bhakta. Is it true?
Different katha, different people saying many things. Many stories, many katha. But what is the moral? What is the purport? The more purport is that one will receive the mercy of Krishna, then Krishna will take everything. We should not give up anything. Krishna will take. We don't want to give to Krishna, but Krishna will take by force. Understand? So when Krishna, he will take. What you take? Krishna gave and Krishna, he will take. This is not mine. Krishna's. So, can't believe it. Good Brahman.